How to make a headliner audiogram. First, get your MP3 file. In this case, I used Audacity. As you can see, I'm exporting it as an MP3. Then I get my Canva template. I've copied the template and I'm saving it as something new. I'm adding my new graphic and downloading it. You can download as a PNG or JPEG. Then I'm going to open up Headliner and create something new. Right now, I'm going to create an audiogram. We're going to upload our MP3. It opens up a dialog box. You can get your MP3. Choose your aspect ratio. For this, we're going to do this for Instagram. You can use a template or you can upload an image. In this case, we already have an image that we've made in Canva. We have our image, so we're going to go X out. We're going to get our waveform, pick our waveform, change the color, size it so that it's exactly the way we want it, and we can move it. Once it's the right size, color, you can X out. You can also add text. Make sure you save project name. And now you're all done. It's time to export. This takes a second. And then it's time to share. You can share to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or download it and share it when you're ready. If you need more assistance, contact me on social at Casey Broda.